Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the filter function in Excel. So filter is something like that we want to look or we want to find out something like that. Suppose here I just want to show the office supplies data. Okay, so there's the my category. So category right down here. So whenever I change the category, my data set which one is related to the office supplies automatically show here. So that's the thing I want to create here. So that's why I just want to create the I want to use the filter function. So filter, so this is the array. I just select this. I can select this in another way or something like that. Control shift down arrow key, control shift right arrow key, and automatically selected the whole data set. Then include function, include basically based on which data I want to actually filter the filter or something like that. So something is here category. So I just want to filter based on the category. That's why I want to select this column and equal to this data like n2 means n number column 2 number rows, so automatically show. And if empty something like that, not related something, if something happened, then we can show like a blank or something. Okay, so this data actually related to office supplies. If I filter here something like that, furniture, automatically change the furniture related data, and same goes to technology, something like that. And here I am using the list function, something like that. I mean data validation. We can use data validation in data, and here is the data validation. And here I'm using the allow list option. Then source is something like that, category comes from this column. I just select this and okay. And after that I can see something like that list format, and I can select the actual category which one I actually want to show. Okay, so that's the thing.